How to earn Bitcoin using Trust Wallet. In this guide, we'll cover how to earn Bitcoin using Trust Wallet. We'll do this using the Venus protocol and earning BTCB, which is a peg version of Bitcoin that's both on the BNB chain. Trust Wallet allows you to earn crypto in many ways, including in-app staking or connecting to protocols via the Web3 app browser. Additionally, features like the Trust Wallet security scanner help to keep your entire Web3 experience safe before you start earning Bitcoin using Trust Wallet. Before we dive into how to earn Bitcoin using Trust Wallet, you'll need to create a wallet if you don't already have one. Trust Wallet is available as a mobile app where you can get the Trust Wallet extension for your desktop web browser. In this example, we'll set up a new wallet using the Trust Wallet mobile app. Step 1. Download the latest version of the Trust Wallet app. Step 2. Set up your new wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app and choose the option to create a new wallet. Choose a method to back up your wallet. Go through the instructions to start using your wallet. Tip: if you already have a wallet that's not Trust Wallet, you can choose to import that wallet. In this case, you choose the I already have a wallet option. Step 3. Ensure you have BTCB in your wallet. Note: to earn Bitcoin with Venus protocol, you need BTCB, a pegged version of BTC that's on the BNB Smart Chain, BIP20. You'll also need this to cover any gas fees. There are a number of ways to get BTCB into your wallet, including the following. Deposit or buy BTC on the Bitcoin blockchain and then swap it to BTCB on the Binance Smart Chain, BIP20. This requires a couple of steps as you currently cannot directly swap BTC to BIP20 assets. Please see here for instructions. View the section on how to swap BTC or ETH to BIP20 tokens. Deposit BTCB BIP20 directly using these instructions. Swap another BIP20 asset to BTCB BIP20 using these instructions. Once you have BTCB in your wallet, you'll be ready to start earning using the Venus protocol. What is the Venus protocol? Venus protocol is a DeFi decentralized finance money market platform operating on the BNB Smart Chain. It allows for the lending, borrowing, and minting of synthetic stablecoins, BAI, all collateralized by user-supplied assets. Venus is a fusion of concepts from Compound and MakerDAO, two Ethereum-based protocols, and brings together functions of lending and stablecoin minting within a single system. In this permissionless lending environment, users can earn interest on their collateral, or borrow against it, by participating in the platform's lending and borrowing services. How to earn BTC using Venus Protocol and Trust Wallet. Step 1. Connect to Venus Protocol. Select the Trust Wallet Web3 browser. Enter app, Venus.io into the search bar and navigate to the website. Select Connect Wallet and then choose Trust Wallet. Connect your wallet, and select Let's Get Started. Tap the BTCB section, then choose your amount. Once you've chosen your amount, locate the Approve BTCB button and select it. Confirm the smart contract call. Select the Supply button, then approve the smart contract call. Now your supply is successful and you will start earning rewards. Earning and claiming your rewards, things to keep in mind. In addition to earning BTCB, you also earn XVS, as shown in the above process. Once you earn the rewards, you can choose to swap the XVS rewards for additional BTCB, or any other swap pair asset offered from within the Venus Protocol D app. You can use the in-app swapping feature of Trust Wallet to swap from BTCB back to BTC on the Bitcoin chain. With Trust Wallet, you have the freedom to approach this as you wish. If you do want to swap BTCB to BTC, just remember this will require a couple of steps as outlined here. The power of Web3 and decentralized protocols. As we come to the end of our guide on earning Bitcoin using Trust Wallet, it's important to recognize the transformative power of Web3 and decentralized protocols. Web3, also known as Web 3.0, is the next generation of the internet where applications interact with decentralized networks. This is a game changer for financial transactions and introduces innovative ways to earn more crypto. Web3 wallets, such as the Trust Wallet, provide users the flexibility and autonomy to connect with various decentralized protocols directly. Whether you're staking with Venus Protocol or any other decentralized protocols, your crypto wallet acts as a gateway to a number of DeFi services and a world of Web3 experiences. It's also worth noting that Trust Wallet is easily accessible not only on your mobile device but also on your desktop. It's conveniently available as a Chrome extension on the Chrome Web Store, making it effortless to manage your assets while browsing the web. Plus, features like the Trust Wallet security scanner help keep your assets and Web3 experience safe and enjoyable. In a nutshell, using a Web3 wallet to interact with open, decentralized protocols can offer numerous opportunities to earn more crypto and platforms like Trust Wallet make this process seamless and user-friendly. As we wrap up, remember that the world of decentralized finance is rapidly evolving, and it's crucial to stay updated with the latest tools and protocols that can increase your crypto holdings. Always remember to do your own research and happy earning. XRP Ledger is gearing up to overtake Ethereum as the main smart contracts hub. The XRP Ledger, XRPL, the open-source distributed ledger developed by Ripple, is gearing up for major feature updates that will significantly expand its capabilities and cement its position as a leading blockchain ecosystem. According to a recent 17-part thread by DeFi, a prominent XRPL project, the ledger has ambitious plans to implement cutting-edge functionalities related to decentralized finance, DeFi, compliance, identity, data, and more. Simplifying the technicals. While the specifics may seem highly technical, the implications of these new features are profound even for regular XRP holders and users of XRPL-based applications. In simple terms, the updates will increase liquidity, integrate automated market making, give issuers more control over assets, enable self-sovereign digital identities, allow smarter data-driven decisions, and ensure regulatory compliance. This will push XRPL's utility and adoption across financial institutions, developers, and individuals. Native automated market making. One of the most anticipated updates is XLS30D, which will introduce native automated market making, AMM, liquidity pools to the XRPL for the first time. AMMs are smart contracts that provide liquidity without traditional buyers and sellers. They have driven immense DeFi growth on platforms like Ethereum. XRPL's AMM integration will enable swaps between XRP and issued tokens, increasing overall liquidity. Liquidity providers will also earn passive yield from trading fees. The AMM will share profit with the Dexter decentralized exchange for optimal token pricing. Enhanced asset control. For major stablecoin issuers and financial institutions, XLS39D or clawback will add an important asset control feature. Clawback allows assets on the XRPL to be revoked or frozen if necessary, for reasons such as regulatory compliance investigations or security. Importantly, this will not affect XRP. The clawback option is voluntary for token issuers. The asset control afforded by clawback will make XRPL more attractive to major stablecoin projects and bridge the traditional and decentralized financial systems. Self-sovereign identity. The XLS40D update will integrate decentralized identifiers, DIDs, that enables self-sovereign digital identity. DIDs allow for user-owned, independent identities that can interact across any domain, providing continuity. They are decentralized, cryptographically verifiable claims issued on blockchain or distributed ledgers. XRPL will specifically implement the W3C DID standard, ushering in an era of portable digital identity for users across XRPL-connected apps and services. This also expands the broader ecosystem. Looking ahead, the XRP Ledger's developers and community are fully committed to meaningful technological innovation. With these upcoming features just scratching the surface, XRPL's future looks very promising. By leveraging XRPL's high speed, low cost, and reliability, the new capabilities will empower developers to offer advanced DeFi, liquidity, compliance, identity, and data solutions on a trusted blockchain foundation. For crypto holders and XRP fans, these developments solidify XRPL's position as a trailblazing ledger at the forefront of real-world blockchain utility and adoption. The future looks bright and exciting.